Next, we need to install the operator that will allow us to perform machine learning and data science. There are two options. One of them is Open Data Hub, and the other one is Red Hat OpenShift Data Science. Recently, Open Data Hub has been refactored to uh, be the upstream version of Red Hat OpenShift Data Science. Therefore, the two UIs are almost identical, and feature-wise, they're also very compatible. And the point is that this new UI is different from the one that it is presented in the GitHub repo. So over here, you will have older UI versions of the uh, Open Data Hub component. If you want to have those that type of experience, then you will need to use an Open Data Hub, which is version which is earlier than 1.40. So let's install the operator. I'm gonna head over to the operator hub and type in Open Data Hub and click install. Leave the defaults on and click install. This will take a little bit, so I'm gonna pause the video here and resume when we're ready to go to the next step.